Welcome to JH. Today we are looking at the Sheglam automatic curling iron, a tool that claims to give you effortless curls in just 60 seconds with a single button. Because apparently, rotating your wrist manually is just too much physical labor for the modern era. It promises frizz-free, shiny results thanks to its ceramic coating and multiple heat settings. But the big question is this thing actually legit or just another piece of plastic destined for your junk drawer? Let's break it down. The first positive sign is the feedback on Amazon, where it holds a solid 4.4-star rating. Customers are genuinely impressed, praising its quick heat-up time and lightweight feel. Many users reported long-lasting curls without the usual tangling or hair-frying drama. Some even compared it to high-end brands while being significantly cheaper. Finally, a way to look like you have your life together without actually spending your rent money. Another point in its favor is that it requires no batteries. You just plug it in and go. This means you won't have to deal with the device dying mid-style, leaving you looking like a half-finished poodle. The fact that it's sold on Amazon also adds a layer of credibility, as you can actually vet the reviews before committing. It's much harder to hide a disaster when the internet is watching. Safety is also a highlight here, as the curler features an auto shut-off function. This is a godsend for anyone who has ever left the house and spent the next 3 hours in a panicked sweat wondering if they're about to burn their apartment down. It also offers 3 different temperature settings to accommodate fine, normal, or thick hair. It's nice to see a product acknowledge that we don't all have the same structural integrity when it comes to heat damage. So, is the Sheglam automatic curling iron legit? Yes, it absolutely seems to be. With strong reviews, essential safety features, and a price point that won't make your bank account cry, it's a solid choice for anyone wanting salon-quality curls on a budget. It's smart, reliable, and surprisingly effective. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates, and I'll see you in the next one.